Hi guys, welcome back to Crudo Hall. This is Shreya and right now I am in Mumbai attending GFI, that is Green Fashion India. I am very happy that I'm shooting this vlog and you will see all the efforts that I have done. I am way too much late right now. Our college is taking us to Mumbai. I will attach a clip in which I will be explaining why we are going to Mumbai, but we are going to Mumbai. This event is all about sustainability, eco-conscious choices, celebrating India, celebrating Indian crafts, celebrating Indian artisans. And there are almost 18 colleges that have come here today, sorry, 2 days to participate in all these really lovely competitions. There was eco pitch competitions that I participated, and there was poster making competition, folk dance competition, there was क्या था और green runway competition, कला की कला की कथा competition. I have packed my bags, I have got ready, everything is done. Now to head towards college because वहाँ से we're gonna be sitting college का transport में. I guess it's 5 a.m. now and we leave. Bye bye. I know I'm very late at the same point, but the thing is that I haven't slept. I didn't even sleep like for 2 hours because I was posting, I was doing everything on YouTube. Just look at me. Oh god, I was so late, and my friends were waiting for me because we had to leave as soon as possible. It's literally dark in the morning. We again made everyone wait for us as we were grabbing snacks. Oh god, this happens every time. One is sleeping right now and it's I guess 9:30 a.m. We haven't still reached the location because it's, I don't know why we are late, and we have to still eat breakfast. I have to get ready. We are here और वो बस ड्राइवर ने बहुत दूर बस खड़ी की. So we have to walk all the way. So we are walking all the way to that college.
I sincerely thank all the contributors to this conference by offering cash prizes to encourage students from different.
So we didn't eat anything since morning and now we're getting the time to eat. And they've given, I've taken one coffee, one chai, obviously.
Coffee person, guys. लड़की अभी बाहर
So
आई है
now
coffee
we'll
लेके.
eat. Everyone is coming out to eat breakfast because no one had eaten anything since morning. Like we've been traveling since 4 to 5 hours.
अंजलि है तुम्हारे साथ?
हाँ.
Correct.
So everybody is there in the competition right now. Conference is still going on and we are prepping for our eco pitch. We are trying to decorate it or make it look aesthetically pleasing, and yeah, that is it.
So as I mentioned earlier that I participated in a competition called as Eco Pitch, and this is what we were prepping for.
The foam board has turned out, I mean how the poster has turned out. This is the place where we have given to display. Pretty. क्या बड़बड़ कर रही है?
I'm just preparing like
For
how
what?
We'll ask questions.
Come! We have to decorate.
So we are going to decorate our setup and let's see how it
So
turns
people are trying to set up things right here and we'll do ours. And let's hope for the best.
ऐक ना काहीतरी असं प्लांट्स वगैरेचं.
हां,
ऐक ना,
मी
काय
तुला
म्हणते,
तेच
असं
म्हणते.
नाही होऊ शकत का समथिंग हे असं. हां
असं का? प्लांट्स लागतीलच वैष्णवी आपल्याला ग.
कोणते घेते तर सांग. सगळे गेले.
आपले उन्हात ठेवून आपण खराब नाही का होणार?
उन्हात ठेवूनच चांगले राहतील.
After we were doing our setup, we were sent back to the conference hall. 2 to 3 speakers, we heard them, their brand stories. It was really nice. And now it's lunchtime. We are having lunch, garden mein.
So after we were done with our lunch, we went back to the conference hall and there were again some speakers.
Setup done right now. and I don't know where's the jury. Everybody is waiting for them right now. And somebody just told me कि यहाँ पे किसकी शूटिंग हुई थी?
यहाँ पे
मुन्ना भाई,
मुन्ना
लगे
भाई
रहो।
लगे रहो
मुन्ना भाई लगे रहो की शूटिंग हुई थी यहाँ पे,
यहाँ पे इश्क विश्क
और यहाँ पे इश्क विश्क की शूटिंग हुई थी. Nice. This campus is so pretty. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, it's so damn pretty. Like, everything is so aesthetically pleasing.
So again we were called into the auditorium as there was a fashion show and all these garments were designed by college students. Finally the jury had arrived.
So, as you can see, we have displayed these products. So these are hand hammered copper vessel, and we engraved it incorporating Warli art, that is obviously the oldest art form available in India. So products, this is a tray, a South Indian coffee cup, sugar container and a coffee filter. So these all of these products are made from scratch. So from choosing a perfect of the copper sheet, from hammering to the etching process of the Warli art till the finishing.
Everything you.
Finally we were having dinner.
8:50. It's 8:50. So it's almost 9 p.m. and we're having our dinner. And I guess the eco pitch competition jury was done very nicely, and we'll go. I'm very tired actually. We'll directly go to our stay. So it is the second day of GFI today. It's 15th of Jan, and right now we left from our stay and we are going to the college जहाँ पे GFI organize किया है. And today आज क्या होने वाला अक्षता? Speeches and all?
हाँ, पहले स्पीकर होंगे, उसके बाद
तो yes again ओ हाँ, आज प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है जो कल हम कंपटीशन के लिए जूरी का वेट कर रहे थे उसका. एंड yeah, let's hope for the best. I hope we win at least the third prize or the first. Obviously we'll be aiming for the first prize, but let's see. Outfit or lift.
चुके हैं.
So we have reached the college right now. Let's see. We kept our luggage ऊपर and straight away we came to have breakfast. पहले. Hi. Hey! Hi. How did you come? इन लोगों के साथ में. Guys, my friend.
हेलो
Bye,
हेलो
bye.
हेलो हेलो.
नहीं रुके हम लोग. ठीक है चलो बाय.
Bye.
मेरा डांस देखना.
हाँ या श्योर. कब है
शूट कर दे रहा हूँ.
मेरा है तो मैं करती हूँ. Bye. All the best. Having breakfast. आज मेरे फ्रेंड्स का डांस है and there is a fashion show as well.
So we were done with our breakfast and again we were called at the conference hall. There was a session organized for. Finally it was time for my friend's dance performance and I was so excited to see them on stage.
So we just got done with the competitions. Prize distribution भी हो गया and I am so happy right now because we won the first prize. And I think it was expected because we deserved that first prize as we worked really hard for that competition, and the craft that we developed, it took like 4 to 5 months for that craft to develop, and now we are here. I hope that we participate in many competitions as we can. Oh god, this was so unexpected. My family is going to be so happy seeing this.
Party tonight. The Soft Studio is giving a big party tonight. All of you are welcome.
So this was Vaishnavi doing all the rest formalities and we got a check. Yay! It was already so late and everybody was waiting outside. Look at the crowd. Look at all the girls waiting.
I am Shreya signing off Crudo Hall. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel because I will be posting such interesting vlogs, shorts, videos, sometimes podcasts as well. It's so late, I'm so hungry, and okay, so bye bye.